And so now will be to me any party now life I influencer or to influence people. No, you must first influence yourself. You see, people fake life a lot. On social media, this same fake life has escalated to even our church. As pastors, as businessmen, as safumu we fake life. We are often carried away to persuasion and deception by the things we see and hear around. You can only give what you have. You cannot give what you don't have. You have strong ambitions in ministry, in life. You want to be a family man, especially in this world where everyone wants to be seen but lack the capacity to reach that ambitions. We are surrounded by noise makers, not voice makers. When you pursue ambition but you don't have the capacity to exhibit or manifest that ambition, you become noise maker. Voice makers are relevant. And I wish we are saying Oba gospel fraternity, Oko we say a Juma secular work in corporate work here. When you make a voice like a crabby. I know it's a strong ambition.
I know you have a very strong ambition.
Are you capable to bring those things out? We influence people influence yourself first.
We've got to a point in life that if you want to influence
capacity, ability to deliver.